Hey there, this is a 7-minute brown and red eyeshadow tutorial. Also, for all my new subscribers, I have two different types of hooded eyes. They are not bad eyes, they just require different makeup technique, that's it. So let's do a bold and simple look together. Let's start with the base. I use a concealer with a matte finish. As always, all products and shades are listed in the description box. So warm it up on the back of your hand, apply it all over the lids, inner corners, and underneath the eye. Basically everywhere. Today I chose brown reddish eyeshadows, a warm toned look. Grab a mid-tone brown shade with a small brush. Start from the inner corner, then dab the shadow onto the outer corner. Make sure you apply the same amount of eyeshadow to both corners. We want an even color payoff. Connect the gap between the corners by sliding the brush from side to side. Then take a large blending brush and repeat those same side-to-side blending motions. Look straight into the mirror and blend parallel to the tip of your eyebrow. Now add some shadows along the lower lash line to open up the eyes. Next, dark matte brown and a small brush. Add depth to the outer corner by drawing a V shape. Then, do the same at the inner corner and along the lash line. Go back to your larger blending brush, hold it perpendicular to your skin and relax your forehead. Why? Because when your muscles are relaxed, you are blending into the folds of the skin, exactly when the makeup will sit when your face is at rest. Otherwise, you are just wasting time. I recommend holding the brush perpendicular, so if you don't do that, you can grab all the base and all the eyeshadows, light eyeshadows, just with the clean side, using it like a flat brush. Now grab a bit of eye base, primer or concealer with a matte finish. I use the same concealer with a matte finish from NARS. And also I use a Q-tip, no need to buy a special brush for that. Apply a very thin layer to the lids to create a strip of light, which gives an eye-opening effect. Don't ruin the beautiful blending on the outer lid. Just softly blend the edges with your fingertip or brush. While the base is still wet, tap on some sparkly eyeshadow with your fingertip. Then use a small blending brush to slightly darken the outer corners again, since sparkly eyeshadow tend to be very light. We need to maintain the balance between the light and the shadow. Blend it out by following the shape of the low lash line. Now, grab an angled brush and dark matte brown eyeshadow to define the lash line. If you notice any fallouts, don't worry. But here's a tip: after picking up eyeshadow, dab the brush on the back of your hand first. It helps prevent fallout. Look how gorgeous this eyeshadow is, especially for brown and green eyes. I am also adding a graphic element to the crease to enhance the illusion of light and depth. Use wiping motions and a bit of concealer to clean up under the eye. Smooth the crease line again with a small fluffy brush. Find the highest point of your eye and leave the outer corner with the blending. Blend slightly higher than usual to lift the eye even more. Now for the final touch. Apply red eyeshadow only to the outer corner. Do not blend it into the inner corner. It can give a cry eye effect because it highlights red capillaries that show up later in the day. Burgundy and brown reddish mascara with the red shimmer particles is perfect for low contrast features. Don't raise your eyebrows, just relax and look down into the mirror. Wiggle the wand, bling, and don't press your lashes together too hard or the mascara will just transfer. Turn your lashes to the side for a foxy eye effect. Chin down and apply mascara to the low lashes if you want a more doll-like finish. To open up the eyes even more, add a touch of sparkly eyeshadow to the inner corners. What do you think of the halo technique? I always recommend clean up the outer corners and save that cat eye shape. Just follow your low lash line upward. And I do this at the end of every makeup look using a brush and a bit of concealer. Yes, we just did a halo eye with the simple steps and focused attention. Don't apply eyeshadow directly directly on bare skin, it will be a mess after 20 minutes, especially if you have oily lids like I do. Without a sticky base, sparkles will fall every time you blink. But just look at that shine with a golden, pink, and purple glow. Let's check the close-up with a burgundy mascara and a red and brown eyeshadows. If you are not sure how to tie warm brown makeup into your overall look, use a warm tone lipstick. This one's affordable and from the drugstore, it's my favorite one. I've almost used it up. Apply it to the lips, then blend it out for a softened look. Keep the focus only on the eyes. Then use the same lipstick as blush. We want to connect the top half of the face, I mean the eyes, with the bottom half, I mean the lips, through the cheeks. I blend it with the same big synthetic brush I used for foundation. Simple and easy. See how beautiful the final look is. What do you think of this technique? And how do you feel about red-brown eyeshadows? I know that it's a little bit difficult to apply it in a correct way for someone. I hope so that video will be helpful for you. Let me know in the comments and let's discuss. See you in the next video. Bye!